Welcome to the SeoSamba Point of Sale POS application. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use your POS system as a cash register, offering all the advantages of a traditional till with the added benefits of modern online integration. Seamless integration. Your SeoSamba POS combines physical store transactions with online customer account history. It allows customers to buy and pick up items across multiple locations, or have them shipped directly to their home or business, offering true flexibility. Getting started. To begin, tap the Start button located at the top right corner of the home screen. From here, you can choose to scan product barcodes or look up items in your product catalog. Barcode scanning. The barcode scanner operates continuously, so you can place your phone in a holder and simply pass products in front of the camera. As each item is scanned, the details will appear on the screen for visual confirmation before moving on to the next product. If an item isn't found, the system will notify you. Product lookup. You can use the Lookup Item feature at any point during the transaction, as the cart is persistent. Search for products by name, filter by tags, or sort by price or name. You can also show out-of-stock items. View products available only at specific stores by selecting the store name in the top left corner. The default store is pre-selected. Each product listing includes inventory for the selected store, as well as total stock across all locations. Inventory is updated automatically across all stores as sales occur. You can adjust quantities or remove items by swiping left. Checkout process. When you're ready, tap Checkout and search for the customer's account. This is optional and can be skipped at the bottom of the screen. If an account is found, you can ship the items to an existing address, add a new one, and select the preferred shipping method. All carriers and options available on your website are integrated here. Alternatively, you can choose Take Away if the customer is picking up the item. Note: if a customer purchases a quantity of products available across multiple locations, they will receive a pickup slip, or the stores will be notified to ship the items to the customer based on their preference. Store managers can process multi-location pickup or shipping orders directly from their website's order screen. Adding discounts. On the next screen, you have the option to apply a coupon. Coupons can be used to discount shipping fees or product prices, and they are created in your website's merchandising or product screen. Payment options. For payment, you have multiple choices. Use a wirelessly connected card reader. Use your phone as a tap-to-pay device. Manually enter or scan card details if needed. Or simply enter the cash amount for cash payments. Final steps. Once the transaction is complete, you can print or email the receipt to the customer. The receipt will also include a link where they can leave a review on Google or Facebook.